AhsayCBS version 10.3 is here. A revolutionary upgrade packed with a major architecture enhancement, updated features for next-level data protection and operational efficiency, delivering unlimited scalability, unlimited backups, and faster recovery. Get ready to elevate your backup business.
What's new in version 10.3? Support for run-on-server backup with Docker container. With version 10.3, your backup server has just got elevated to handle unlimited workloads. No longer will your AhsayCBS backup server be limited by CPU or memory constraints. With full support for Docker container-powered backup jobs. For unlimited backup server scalability, now you can spin your server-based cloud file, Microsoft 365, and Google Workspace backups into the cloud or to local Docker containers.
Backup server stability and performance. With Ahsay version 10.3, every run-on-server cloud file, Microsoft 365, or Google Workspace restore job runs in its own dedicated process. That means greater backup server stability and performance you can rely on.
Granular restore and run direct. Recover faster and smarter, not slower. With the latest performance boost, your VMs on VMware, Hyper-V, and Proxmox restores faster than ever. Whether you're powering up your VMs on local or cloud destination or drilling down with Granular Restore for individual file recovery. No delays, no limits, just smarter, faster recovery every time.
Ahsay Go Backup Service. Meet Ahsay Go, our new backup service for personal and small business users. With a simple monthly or annual subscription, it protects data across multiple platforms, applications, and devices. It's ideal for small deployments, no backup servers, no centralized management consoles, no hassle.
Ahsay Home. And for personal users, there's Ahsay Home, a completely free file backup solution for Windows and macOS desktop computers and notebooks. Simple to set up and totally ad-free. You provide Ahsay Home with cloud or physical storage. It keeps all your important files safe and secure. No file size limits. No data size limits. No restrictions for long-term use.
Upgrade to Ahsay version 10.3. Move your backup business with Ahsay's latest next-generation update. Unlimited backup scalability. With rock-solid stability and enterprise-grade security. Go to www.ahsay.com/download